Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I have this Alex Duetto here. Came in with some leaks and needed a tune-up. So I found that the leak was coming from not only the boiler safety valve, as you can see here, but also the expansion valve, which I replaced, and it also had some issues with the threading here on the mushroom valve that goes just here in the top of the E61 group head. And then I just did an overhaul on the whole E61 group head and did a tune-up on the whole machine. So I'll just do a little test here. As you can see, it has nice crema, everything works properly. So here's the steam and the hot water. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.